Good morning and welcome to a brand new vlog here from Dubai. Today we are doing something very exciting. I've been excited for this the whole time we've been here. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. We're doing a, as you can probably tell by the title of this video, a speedboat tour, which I just love.
Have you ever done one before, Lloyd?
I have. I've done multiple speedboat experiences.
Have you?
Yeah.
I've never been on a speedboat.
Never ever?
Never ever. I can't think that I have anyway.
Oh, this is going to be an experience for you.
Is it scary?
Yeah. Well, no,
Is
not
it?
scary. It's just more thrilling, I think.
Is it? Oh, I'm a bit scared.
You'll be fine. You'll be fine. And so we've booked this through our iVenture card, which is the Dubai Pass, as we have done with a few of the other excursions.
Most of our other excursions.
Yeah.
We're making the most of it. It's a 5-day pass, so we're trying to do everything. Later on today we're going to go to World Wadi on the pass, and then in the evening we've got the view from the Palm.
Yeah, no, very excited for today. It's going to be a good day, and it's before 9 o'clock this morning, and this is the first time we've been up and out before.
Apart from yesterday.
Apart from yesterday, yeah, that we've been up and out. So it's really nice. I'll just turn you around and show you the view of what we're looking at. Look at how amazing the marina looks. It's just so cool. I could see us living here. Could you?
We'll see.
We're saying it's got a very kind of Brighton-ish vibe. Ish, the operative word. Ish.
It's not quite Brighton Marina, is it?
It's not quite the Brighton
Marina.
Marina.
Could be like this, but
it could be.
But it isn't.
No. So we're on, and we're on the front row.
We're the only people on the boat.
That's true, there's nobody else here yet. And the tour was meant to start at 9, it's now 9:03. So, I don't know, we'll be joined by anybody else. Have an intimate speedboat tour.
Intimate.
Yeah.
Dubai Eye looks like London Eye, but bigger than London Eye.
A lot bigger.
London Eye around 180 meter. This eye 210 meter. This eye 250 meter. So you can count there is a 48 capsule. Maximum 30 people can go in one capsule.
So I really enjoyed
That was amazing, wasn't it?
our boat trip. Yeah,
It was so good. I'd say that's one of the best things that we've done while we've been here.
yeah.
We went all the way around the Palm, fun. And we got to take loads of photos, and the guy in the boat took photos of us, which is amazing.
Yeah.
Some really cool ones that I'm sure will be going up on Instagram soon.
Yeah, so if you're not yet following us on Instagram, go ahead and do that, and you can see those amazing photos. So if you enjoyed this vlog, and please do give it a huge thumbs up.
And if you haven't already, please subscribe.
And we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.